If you are watching this, then you are probably connected to the law profession. To pass law exams, one has to remember a large number of cases. I am John Goodstadt, and when my son did his GDL exam last year, I wrote an iPhone app to help him do just this. Using modern techniques from psychology, coupled with an iPhone, one can efficiently remember a large number of cases. So, how does this work? I'll let Alexa and Brian explain from here.
We have 1,200 cases in 25 groups. Let's pick this one and learn it. AXA Insurance v Lord Advocate. Acts passed in Scottish Parliament are subject to judicial review. Okay, I've got that. I can test myself. Acts passed in Scottish Parliament are subject to judicial review.
The clever thing is to know about the forgetting curve of Ebbinghaus. If we know something, then our mind will start to forget it in about 10 minutes. So, the app will remind you when you are going to forget it. It will then prompt you to recall it. Whilst we wait, let's do another.
This will do. Blake, v. DPP. Yes, I've got this one. Now test myself. I still remember it.
The Today tab is everything to do today. You will always be reminded, at the right time, just before you forget any case. You can drag down the notification and answer directly, from here. On the lock screen, swipe left and choose View.
Let's recall now. It is important to tap No if you cannot grasp all of the case. Learn it again, just as before.
Notice, it will go back to 10 minutes. This is now due in 1 hour. Then 1 day. In this way, many dozens of cases could be memorized in any day.
You can add your own cases. Tap plus and follow the instructions. What I have shown you is a prototype. There is no guarantee that the data is accurate in the app. It is your responsibility to check it. Also, this is just a sample of selected cases that was suitable for one person doing a GDL exam.